Hello, and thank you for joining us here at North Miami Beach Public Library. Today we'll be discussing the online resource OverDrive, which is how you can download ebooks to your Kindle, your phone, your computer, or your tablet. So let's get started. First off, you're going to type in the library's web address in your browser, nmblib.com. Then you're going to go over to online resources and then click on e-materials. Scroll down to eBooks. There's OverDrive and there's Libby. Libby is the mobile version of OverDrive. So if you're using this primarily on a tablet or on your cell phone, you might want to consider using that one as well. But first you click on OverDrive. And that will take you to the SFLIN, Southeast Florida Municipal Libraries Digital Consortium site. We are part of a group of libraries who pool resources in order to buy more ebooks for our patrons. So from here, you can click on search and type in the title, author, or subject of the book you're looking for. You can also browse by subject. You can look at collections, or you can look at books that are specifically just for Kindles. Today, we're going to look at collections. In ebooks, you have these two lists here. The first one is top fiction ebooks available now. The bottom one, top nonfiction ebooks available now. This is great for if you just want to browse and see what's popular right now. As you can see, we also have audiobooks, books for teens and kids, and other videos. So once you scroll here, you can see that you can change this by subject, by interest level, by audience. We are going to click on a book. Now from here, you can see more information about the book, like a description, what the book's about, details, reviews. You can also see over here under subjects. So let's say you're interested in this book and you want to find more like it. You can click on other lists over here to see more books in that subject. So romance or fiction or literature. It also shows you here what formats this is available in. So we click borrow. From here, you're going to select your library, which is North Miami Beach Public Library. You're going to get your library card and type in your library card number with no spaces. And then hit sign in. You can choose how long you'd like to borrow it. Press borrow. Now from here, you have three options for reading the book. If you click read now with Kindle, it will send you to the Amazon website where you'll put in your email address and your password, and then you can deliver it directly to your Kindle. You can click read now in browser. This works great if you're constantly on the internet or if you don't mind using data on your phone or tablet, and then you can read it in your web browser. Or here you can download a copy of the book, and then you'll be able to read it either on the OverDrive app, if you download that to your tablet or phone, or using Adobe Digital Editions, which is a free program from Adobe, and you can read it there. If you choose EPUB ebook, the Adobe version, then you cannot deliver it to your Kindle, and vice versa. If you choose to read it on your Kindle, you cannot then download it as an ebook. You'd have to return the book and then download it in a different format. Read now in browser is always available to you no matter what else you choose. You can also see how many more titles you can check out. So you can close that. If you want more information about your account, you can click on loans. And then it shows you all the books you have checked out. If you're done with the book early, you can click return. And then someone else can read it. You can also look over here. It'll show any books that you have on hold. So if someone else has the book that you want and it's checked out, you can put a hold on it and they will send you an email as soon as it's available. There's a wish list, rated titles, so you get to decide what you think of the books that you've read, recommendations, history, and other settings. Now, under settings, you get to choose the audience. So if you're giving this to a child, you can choose juvenile, young adult, dyslexic font, or high contrast. So this is how you use OverDrive here at NMB Library. Thank you for joining us. If you have any questions, please feel free to call us or send us an email, and we hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you.